Um, Actually, I have a better idea. That's more like it. Hey guys, it's SG13 Smile Guy here. So after 85 videos, no intro, no sound intros, I finally made the Universal Studios as the main intro for this this series. So yeah, after all this kind of like hard work of mine, I finally put a notice in my intros. So if anyone likes my intros, please subscribe and like that. So yeah, bye bye.